How to boost microphone volume on Windows device. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can boost microphone audio on your Windows device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up Control Panel. You can search for Control Panel and open it up. After you open it up, make sure that this category, the view by is on category right here, then there you'll find hardware and sound. From here, we'll head over to our sound settings. So tap on hardware and sound, and there you'll find sound. Tap on sound. From here, you will be able to, change the settings related to every type of sound on your device, such as your playback sound, your recording, and your basic sounds. So from here, you will find your microphone that is currently on use. Here you can see this is the microphone that I'm currently using. It is on the default device. What I can do is right click on it and then tap on show properties or properties. Tap on it and there you will find this pop up. What you can do from here is head over to listen, and right here you will simply need to turn this off. So here you can simply disable automatically to save power. Here you'll see power management. Whatever it's on, you can continue running when battery power is on. Just turn this on. Then what you'll need to do is head over to levels. Now set this to the highest level possible. After you set it to the highest level possible, your microphone sound should increase. Head over to advanced as well, and under exclusive mode, simply turn both of these off, and also enable auto enhancements. You can disable that as well. Then tap on OK. Tap on apply, then tap on OK. After that, your microphone volume should be boosted. And that's basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye-bye.